Hi, my name is Trey. I'm a support engineer here at E1 Solutions. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use custom global variables in BC filters. You might run into this issue where you have a global variable that you want to use in your filter for a BC query. If you want to change it at all for your data, for whatever reason, if you have like a modified date or a specific value you want to filter on, using global variable is a good way to do it. So I'll just be walking you through how to do that. First of all, once from Spark Connect, we'll go to the Maintenance tab and press Global Variables. That'll pop up this field, and then we'll go ahead and create some global variables that we can use later on. So to do that, hit the Create Global Variable up here, and then it'll prompt you to put in a name. So I'm put in test name here, since I already have one set up that I want to show instead of this one, but I can just do how about global test, and then for value, I'll put in the value test. But this is where you can put in anything, and I'll show you value later. This is pretty simple. All you have to do to set up a global variable. Click save, and it'll save it there. And let's just go and find it, make sure it actually created. Test, value test, perfect. For the one today that I'm going to be showing you, I created a global first filter half and then a global filter second half for these two values. I'm basically going to be modifying or checking if the last modified date is greater than, and then this 2021 date. So you can do this with either one filter or two filters. Sometimes it is necessary that you'll need to use two filters instead of one filter, and I'll go over that situation here. So once you have this example right here, I'm going to use this global first half filter. You can then go into a data source, and we can just create a sample BC one. So go into bulk, and then go into query for BC, and then go over here, and then select OData query. Description. Quick description, and then select whichever connection you want. Once you can do that, you can go and select the service that you're going to use, and then I'm going to use an item card, and then we can enter in the item filter. You can look at the filters here. Otherwise, since you already have your filter set up, the global variable, all you need to do is pull in the value that you have right here. So smart to save it in a second screen so that you can actually just copy and paste it in here, so like I have done here. So once you do that, it'll update the filter, it'll create the service here, and then you can just preview it to make sure it's actually working. And I have tested this already, so I know that it will work, and the last date modified is all greater than 2021, like we expect. So that's working as we want, but sometimes you won't be able to do just this. Sometimes you'll have to put quotes around it, like if you're in a no that you know that you have in here. So how about we actually do that right now? So this no, how about we search on this 1001? So I'm going to go back into those global variables, and we are going to search on that. So for this first half, I'm going to change this to NO greater than, or we'll do equals, which is just EQ, and then save that. And then I will put the value into the second half here as 1001. So this should end up working. We have those set up correctly, so then we can go back to that data source and test it again, but I will show you the slight modification that we have to do. We basically just have to put the single quotes around the outside. So again, create, query, test 3, do that again, add service, and then find my item card once again, and then put in our filter, which is just going to be the global first half, and then quote, global second half, right here. I both saved these on the side, and I can press update and it'll populate again. Hopefully we'll be able to preview just that line like we want. The filter's working successfully, and that is all you have to do. And for that special case again where you have to use the quotes, that is a simple way to do it. So if you have any questions about using global variables with Business Central filters, you can email support at E1 Solutions. Otherwise, thank you for watching.